In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize HubSpot with custom objects. This can be an incredibly powerful tool for tailoring your CRM to better fit your unique business needs. Whether you're looking to track more specific data or just want to make your dashboard more insightful, custom objects can offer this flexibility and much more. First things first, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. This is crucial as you'll need access to specific features within your dashboard. Once you're in, let's head over to the trial guide. This guide is an essential resource. It and will provide you with everything you need to get started with building custom forms. Think of it as your roadmap to navigating the initial stages of form development. Now that we're on your homepage, locate and click on the Settings icon. This is where you can adjust many different features of your HubSpot experience, so it's good to familiarize yourself with this area. Next, you'll want to click on Objects. This tab is all about managing different data objects within your account. Here's where the magic happens. Select Custom Objects. Custom objects can help you define and track data that doesn't naturally fit into HubSpot's standard objects, like contacts or deals. If you feel the default options aren't enough for your data needs, this is the perfect solution. After selecting custom objects, click on Create Custom Object. This action will bring up a new template where you can start building your object. In this template, you'll need to define specific fields that are crucial for the purpose and function of your custom object. This is the point where some planning comes into play. Take a moment to think carefully about what data is integral to achieving your business objectives. This isn't something you want to rush through. Spend time considering how you will organize your fields to foster easy tracking and meaningful insights. This setup will be the backbone of how your custom object operates within HubSpot. The right configuration can lead to valuable analytics and actionable data, which are vital for making informed business decisions. As always, planning is key. Before you even start creating your custom object, it might be helpful to sketch out a plan. Consider writing down what fields you need and why each is important. This approach will give you a clearer picture of your final setup and ensure you're not missing any crucial elements. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to customizing HubSpot with custom objects, giving you more control and insight over your data than ever before. Stick around for more helpful tips and tutorials, and don't forget to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.